chapter 1. Verse 26, 28. No matter what, you can just note it down. We have the very first meeting ezulwini. Note indawo yomhlangano. The very first meeting in heaven. Wahlala uNkulunkulu nobuNkulunkulu. Kuzodiscusswa umuntu. Amen.
Yes.
Lithizwi kwehlis prophetho ngomuntu. In a meeting phakathi koNkulunkulu nobuNkulunkulu. Kuzodiscusswa mina nawe nje. Yeah, mina nawe nje. Noma ungebalwe ebantwini abaserious. Noma kungesho lutho ngawe. But kwahlala meeting ngawe. Kwahlala uNkulunkulu icabinet yonke to discuss mina nawe. Lithizwi kwehlis prophetho phezu komuntu. Uthi uNkulunkulu asenze umuntu ngomfanekiso wethu asikuse. Angikho lapho. But ngifuna ukwazi the first gift esawathola. Number 1, uthi uNkulunkulu may they be fruitful. Amen. To be fruitful is good. They must be productive. Amen. Number 2, uthi uNkulunkulu they must multiply. Okusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu abeke potential yokuthi you must grow. Amen. Number 3, uthi they must replenish bagcwalise umhlaba and dominate. Amen.
Yes.
When they were created to succeed. Amen. No, sonke sihamba neseed imbewu ngaphakathi. Ethi wena you were created to succeed.
Yes.
No, this is why you get depressed izinto mayingahamba.
Yes.
This is why ulala waya izinto mayibheda. Because kukhona into kuwe ethi I am created to be successful. Because uNkulunkulu wehlisa isiprofetho and sehla kumuntu wonke. Awuhlushwa ukuthi izinto when ushusha ukuthi kunento that is locked in you that says you are meant to do great things emhlabeni. Kunezinto ezithi you are meant to be big emhlabeni. That's why I know this is when I'm une stress uvukela high blood pressure is because you were created to be fruitful. Amen. If you don't see my fruits womsebenzi wakho stress leyo. And I understand why. Because God has locked something in you that says be fruitful. Amen. So the first meeting, the first meeting yahlala ezulwini. Wahlala uNkulunkulu nobuNkulunkulu ngomuntu. Let's go to the second part here. I'm not going to spend time because ithi umuntu wahluleka uAdam esebikwe engadini lithi wahluleka ukubamba umthetho kaNkulunkulu. Amen. Terms were covenant. Ayethi you will enjoy everything entails over here, provided ukuthi you eat whatever corner except isihlahla esiphakathi nendawo. Yeah, you will enjoy yonke into provided umfundisi umhlanga ukuthi uhlala nje ezweni lawo. Yeah, because the success yethu is guaranteed. But provided sihlala in his weight. Amen. It is umuntu wahluleka waphula icovenant noNkulunkulu. And ufuna ubambe into ethi mawuphula icovenant you forfeit all the promises as a covenant. Sometimes awuloyanga ukuthi nje uphule icovenant. uNkulunkulu does not need ukuthi aqalekise. But once waphula icovenant you forfeit ithembiso eziza necovenant. Because each and every agreement is an promises. Iringe sifakayo senza ithembiso. And waphula isithembiso esiza nering okuyicovenant. You've already forfeited zonke ithembiso. Amen. That's kukhona into uma ngabe umfundisi unephaza imvula empilweni. Uma ngabe ukuthi yazi ngizwa ngathi yonke into is against me. No, hayi ukuthi imvula ine manje. Imvula has been raining. It's just that ungaphansi kohlala lokhu kuphahla. Amen. No, majority yethu we think imvula ina because of imvula has been raining. Inkinga ungayizwa because God had protected you. Amen. But immediately you move out, you start to notice ukuthi izinto ziyanhlaya. It's not because zikhane zikhama. They have been coming all sides, but you were protected.
Jesus.
Uthi usathane kuNkulunkulu. The reason ingakwazi ukufika kuJob is because uliyeke. Yes, you are protected. Provided uhlezi phansi. It is uthi-ke u-Adam wamosha and ithi le nto u-Adam amabhubesi awaqalanga ukuba khona uma ephuma ensimini. Amabhubesi wayekhona but wayengena-appetite for it until waphuma ensimini. Amabhubesi athi nyama. Amen. Ungamangani hlushwa into ey'ncane dala zikhona ukuthi awu-second away. No, awu-second away. They've been there around you. Beyishaya eduze kwakho. But because of the protection, you are safe. But now zishaya enyameni because usukile. Lethi-ke baphuma u-Adam no-Eva. But before bephuma babalete, there was another meeting again. Lena was emhlabeni. Wahlala uNkulunkulu nomuntu nenyongo uSathane. Kuhlala i-meeting ngomuntu. Amen. I love that. Ukuthi eqaleni kwahlala i-meeting ngami. Nanoma sengibhedile there's still a meeting ngami. Because uNkulunkulu uthi ngimcabanga emihle ngawe. Wabhala le ncwadi uIsrael ubhedile uthunjiwe. But uthi uNkulunkulu khona nawukhona I still have great thoughts now. Because uNkulunkulu akaphuzi ukucabanga ngathi. Amen. Bakhona bakhohliwe kini suziyana nakukhumbula ekhaya you want ifamily. But I'm here to tell you ukuthi uNkulunkulu akakhohliwe nawe. Uthi I still have great thoughts now. Uthi ngicabanga yokuphumelelisa. Uthi ngicabanga yokunika ithemba nempilo engcono. Amen. Lithi wahlala imithi emhlabeni. Kwaba uNkulunkulu, kwaba umuntu, kwaba uSathane uhleli ngomuntu. Amen. Bambalele. It's prophecy number 2. There's a prophecy in Genesis chapter 1 ngomuntu. There's a prophecy in chapter 3 verse 15 ngomuntu. The same prophecy yokuqala yathi phakathi kuwe kunento ethi you are supposed to be victorious in life. Amen. That is prophecy number 1. Genesis chapter 3 umuntu esebhedile. Amen. Eselahlekelwe i-prophecy number 1. Amen. Kwaza umlayezo othi uNkulunkulu ukhuluma nenyonka mara ukhuluma ngomuntu. Uthi ngizobeka ubutha phakathi kwakho nyonga nowesifazane. Amen. But uthi inkinga yakho nyonga akusiwe sifazane. But impewu yowesifazane. Amen. Ukuthi kukhona into ozoyifaka kulo wesifazane. And uthi izonyathela ikhanda lakho. Ikhanda lisho i-authority. Because when we sinned sawe esonweni uSathane waphakama waba ngaphezu kwethu. Kanti yithi sasinikwe ukubusa. But uthi uNkulunkulu njengoba usubhekisa umuntu wami nayi prophecy ngizwenza ubutha between wena nowesifazane. But into ezozalwa ngowesifazane izonyathela ikhanda lakho wena uzoshaya isithembiso sayo. Amen. Okusho ukuthi noma prophecy number 1 kuba ngathi lahlekile. But there was prophecy number 2 ekhulunywe emuntwini. Ethi whatever lahlekele yiyo ensimini khona ozayo to restore it to you. And that is the man who Genesis chapter 3 verse 15. These are the seeds of the woman. It is a seed. Okusho ukuthi is one person. Amen. The woman represents Israel. uNkulunkulu amkhetha to be the womb that will carry the seed, Christ. Adam no Eva baphuma nje balahlekelwe uGenesis 1. But still there was something ethi uGenesis 3 uyenzeka. Mabuyi Genesis 3 we are back in position. When you are created to rule well. When I inkosi uJesu abakhumbuza ukuthi alisho ilizwi ukuthi mina ningonkulunkulu. Amen. Because siyakhohlwa into yokuthi we are created to be kings. And inkosi ngaphezulu kwezinto. And one thing about a king, inkosi ibula ngezwi. I normally say eSwaziland nangumhlangu yazi. Inkosi yaseSwazini yavuka ayizange yabiza cabinet yavo ngebhede yayilula yathi angeke saba eSwaziland le. Sekuzoba ikingdom of eSwatini. Kwaphela kanjalo. Whether you like it or not, inkosi mayisikhulumile, it's like that. Amen. Ingakho uNkulunkulu ethi wena unamandla olimini lakho because you are a king. Akufano ubani singibotele uRamaphosa mele ezothini ukuthi sithini. Masingathandi we reverse whatever is wrong. But a king decides and the king speaks. A king uphelele. Because mina nawe singamakhosi. No, wena ihlupheko akumele ibe phezu kwakho. Wena ungaphezulu ihlupheko. No, ukugula akumele kube phezu kwakho. Ungaphezulu kokugula wena. Amen. No, njengoba inkinga ziphezulu kangaka, that's not the position yakho. The position yakho, you are above and not beneath. Amen. We need to remind one another every time as a one. Ukuthi wena inkosi wena. Jo wena inkosi azayo wena. No, we need to remind. Bathi nyawuke ngaphandle, badinga abantu bazobakhumbuza ukuthi khona la ukhona inkosi wena. Amen. Base heal bro. Bathengisa imzimba. Badinga abantu bazobakhumbuza ukuthi you're a queen when in the kingdom. Amen. This is not your life. You were created a queen because there's a Genesis 1 that is locked away. There's something unlocked in each and every one of us. And this is the very thing is which you can be until you really find it. I don't care what you was about showing the feedback, but you come into that is not good. And you're supposed to do great things. Amen. Then you couldn't go. Utaksana Genesis 1 moshegi, but I still have the last word. What in yoga, call us out. I'm taking a lot of time, I'm taking a lot of time. Bamalendo, itu Adam bapumenzi ninji, what about Petrus prophet? So we could call him the Musfasa. Amen. From generation to generation, mafundiswa. Kuba ngathi Adam had a meeting naye no Seth umntwana wakhe nabantwana bakhe batshela ukuthi we used to live in Tsilini. Lo Seth abayazi into yaseTsilini. Zamba enjoy life in the presence of God. Kuba ngathi Adam abatshela ukuthi sasiphila kahle. Ilwane used to respect us. Ibube simalibona umuntu lalist bayeti because umuntu wayemfanekiso kaNkulunkulu exactly. Ibube silangazi ukuthi ngizothi ngilona lo muntu kanti ngilona noNkulunkulu qho. Because God was in man. Adam, I think there's what they call apocryphal what is authorized. Is the gospel of Barnabas. Barnabas we are shooting Adam wakhuluma noSeth. What is gesa hlala ensimini but may not tell uNkulunkulu sakhisha. But iSeth mntanami ngicela ubambe ethi ukhona ozana ozosibuyisela la uNkulunkulu asibeka khona. Now, this was a message I introduced from Umtwana to Baba, from Baba to Umtwana, from Baba to Umtwana, for generations. You go to call us. Listen. So, in the Old Testament, New Testament, I a prophet, but from the first book of the Bible, we know about Christ coming. Let me hurry up. Kambithethi lento yakhulunywa kwi-meeting yokuqala ilinde into ekhulunywa kwi-meeting yesibili ukuze yenzeke. Ukusho ukuthi Genesis 1 is waiting for Genesis 3 empilweni yakho. Kambithethi ukhona into Mr. said that is not in each and every person. I need something or someone ukuziphila mile njalo. Mama kwamuzo, I remember ukuthi usesemncane used to say mangakhula impilo izoba ngcono. Wakhula wathi mangaqeda isikole things will be much better. Waqeda isikole wathi mangathola umsebenzi izinto zami zizoba better. How is that going for you? Wathola umsebenzi mama Mhlanga wathi mangathola at least promotion izinto zizoba ngcono. But it means that none of those things is the season yakho. Because when you are waiting for someone, not something.
All right. Amen.
Why is it that the people who are celebrated in even sebeshonile, are people who provided a sense of saviorship now? Abantu abama bathi I can do something for you. Those are the people esibalandelayo. Those are the people esibacelebratayo namhlanje. Because for that particular time, Baba, what we are waiting for. And I want to say, I love Avenger movies. Amazi now. But when the Thor comes from the sky and lands the pants, I get excited. Because you feel like, yeah, I think there's no scissor band. No more spazani bam rope, Conan, but I'm not actually pest. Where's the Superman? Bar pants. Because the truth is, the reason people created all these superheroes is because deep down, we are waiting for someone. No, this is not something as if this is something that God belongs to. Because Adam Mayewa, Genesis 3:15, someone is coming. So I studied and believed, but Tony, that is something, man, somewhere must change my life. I am just not sure because I've tried the man, they're fine. I've tried the 7, they're fine. I've tried the education, they're fine.